Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. We got some more little kit action today. These things pictured, I'm sure you guys have seen these before. It's the UCO brand storm-proof match case. And they're like redonkulously heavy duty and waterproof. But you can take this kit and turn it into a more well-rounded kit instead of just a match safe. Something that I like to do to these two. Tofu, you come up here, bub. Come up here on the table. My kitty cat's about to come over here, I think. But like on my green ones, I'm a sucker for high vis, as you guys can probably gather. So I wanted to put a something high vis on this thing where I could see it. So I just drilled through the very corner, not enough to puncture into the cavity inside, and just done a simple little lanyard with a lark's head there. But these are the same way. And I think, you know, some people may be like, man, you don't need to sacrifice that many matches or whatever, but this is completely up to everyone else what they want to do. I mean, that's the beautiful thing about this. We can create what we want to. This one I've used a good bit, so there's a bunch of them missing, but it's got the normal UCO stormproof matches. These dudes burn underwater. Great matches with an extra striker, so an extra one of these, a couple of candles. So it's got a ferro rod, some Fatwood, a couple of candles. Tofu's mad now. Filthy! Quit being bad. And then just a bunch of matches and some extra strikers. And they go in these things, and you get plenty of room. Like I could put a bunch more matches in there, and more Fatwood, or maybe a slightly bigger ferro rod. Some of those, I could move this, and I could fit some of those fire plugs down in there. Could probably fit 2 fire plugs down in that thing, just from the amount of space that's left. Moving some stuff around, sure I could make it fit. There's still a good bit of room in there. But most of the time these cases come with some matches. So for the cost of the case and the matches, I'm not sure what they cost. They probably cost $10 or $12. And with a little bit of extra bits and pieces, you can put together something like this. Like this is it's got matches. It's got 2 pretty good chunks of Fatwood in it, some beeswax candles. And there's a ferro rod down in there, but you can't see it. It's right there. But that's a good, if you're already carrying this, like the outside that's as big as that's going to get. So if we can get as much stuff on the inside that can kind of spread out efficiency or preparedness over multiple things. So like not just like this is matches, of course, but it's got Fatwood. It's got some tinder material there. It's got ferro rod and candles, and you can mix and match. That way you're not, if you have this and it's only matches, you have matches to work with. And this just gives you a little bit of extra if you're relying on a fire kit. I'm still a big supporter of the lighter. That's probably my most go-to device for lighting fires. If I want to practice doing other stuff. I can do this all I want to, but I'm going to have a lighter with me just because it makes sense. Whoops, left out a match. And here's these matches. Got to wear that one out. Come on, Brad. Time to change that one. But these burn like crazy. And the other thing, like, it's almost out, but well, I didn't get to it in time. You can stick these down in water and pull them out, and they'll reignite. Pretty awesome. And we'll go ahead and do this, dude, since we're right here. But to get it out, you just pull it out. You take this dude out of here. Oh, I got some sewing needles in there too. Forgot I had done that. Just to have a little extra. And I'm gonna, there's 2 replacements in here. So I'm gonna take one out, but I'm gonna put this one back just in case. I think you could still get some strikes out of it if it wasn't, has the little plastic sides on it. It's made it a little bit more difficult to do. And just put it back. Quit hollering at me! Trying to eat my chickens a bit. You rascal. Oh, it's a blue jay. Blue jay! Don't be bad. Don't be bad, blue jay. But you just slide it back in there. And that's how to replace that. It's pretty easy. Anyway, I just wanted to share. These are pretty useful kits with good prep. You know, making fires 90% prep anyway. But if your prep's right, one of them matches will start a fire easily. But it's just a good way to kind of have a bunch of bits and bobs in one piece that you can kind of mix and match. But anyway, appreciate the support, guys. If you like what you see, like and follow. Subscribe. Check out my Instagram at Bushcraft Kelso. I've also got a website that's got bits and bobs and miscellaneous stuff on there you could check out. Maybe something you like. Lots more coming. Like I said, I'm trying to get in a good groove here for making videos. I got a bunch to do. A lot of backtrack stuff, but anyway, I enjoy making them. So I hope you guys can enjoy them. Any comments or concerns, questions, drop them in the comments. I'll try to answer them. Try to get back with y'all. But yeah, thanks again, guys. UCO Match Safe Fire Kit.